In this tutorial, we'll be exploring how the queue and pickup stand features work. To start, click on the Manage menu from the top. Under this menu, you'll find the Queue and Pickup option. Clicking on this allows the admin to create a queue for drivers. Essentially, the queue feature is designed to work for drivers, while the pickup stand feature is intended for customers. Firstly, the admin can create a queue for drivers by clicking on the New button. In this section, the admin can input the queue area title, such as Railway Station. The Queue and Pickup Center feature serves both drivers and customers. Drivers receive requests on a first-come, first-served basis. When a customer makes a request, they can select their pickup stand, indicating their precise location. This is particularly useful in situations where there may be multiple entry points, ensuring that the driver knows exactly where the customer is waiting. The admin can define the queue title and specify all the locations, such as the railway station. After entering the location, the admin can draw the territory for the queue. As soon as a driver enters this radius, they are assigned a queue number by the system. We have two configurations to consider here. The first is the Get Outside request. If enabled, drivers within the radius can receive requests from outside the radius. This is useful in situations where drivers outside the radius may not want to take a ride, allowing those within the radius to accept the trip instead. The second configuration is the Generate a Queue based on vehicle type. If this is enabled, a queue is created for all vehicle types. If the queue is disabled, the admin has the ability to define a specific queue for a particular vehicle type. Upon clicking the Create button, if the queue is already drawn for a specific territory, the admin will not be able to select it. Therefore, the admin needs to draw the territory again, select the appropriate location, and correctly redraw the location. This allows the admin to create a new queue. Once the queue is added, the admin can see how many drivers are currently in the queue. They can also see the driver's name and their queue numbers. Moving on to the pickup stand, from here, the admin can create a pickup stand for the customer. When clicking on a new button, the admin can define a pickup area where they will create. They can search for the location, and similarly, the directory will be there for the admin to define. At the bottom, when the admin enables the queue, they can select the queue that has been created. In this way, the admin gets to know how much territory they need to draw because the queue should be inside the pickup area, and the pickup point should be within the pickup area. When the admin selects the location, a PIN will be dropped. As you can see, the directory, which is larger, is for the queue. Within the queue, the admin needs to draw the pickup area. And inside the pickup area, the admin has to select the pickup point. This allows the admin to create a pickup stand for the customer. So when a customer selects a trip, they will be able to choose the pickup stand. In any case, if the admin has selected a pickup area outside the queue, the system will display an error that they cannot create a queue or a pickup stand for the customer because the pickup area is directed outside the queue. Therefore, the admin has to redesign and create a queue for the same. In this manner, an administrator can create a queue and a pickup sign for both the customer and driver. The requests are delivered on a first-come, first-served basis. Thus, the driver who is first in line will receive the first tech request. Additionally, for each vehicle type, a different queue will be generated. This is how the pickup queue and send feature operates.